Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about the Booleans in Python. Booleans in Python are represented in two values. One of them is true, another one is false. Okay. Now, in programming, you often need to know if an expression is true or false. Okay. You can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of the two answers, true or false. So basically, when we evaluate an expression, we get the truthiness or the falsiness of the expression. We will discuss that in the upcoming videos. Okay. When you compare two values, the expression is evaluated and Python returns the Boolean answer. Okay. All right. So let's compare two different values. So let's do print and let's do something like 10 greater than 9, or let's do 8. Okay, hit save and run the program. As you can see, we are getting true here. We are getting a Boolean. So this expression, basically this one, returns a Boolean. Then we can do something like print 10 less than 8. Okay, if I run the program, we are getting false here. Once again, we are getting a Boolean. Now you might be thinking how we can compare the equal values. So what will happen? So if I just do print and then do 10 equals to 10. Okay, so as you can see, VS Code is giving me the error. So whenever we are using one single equal sign, we are meaning like, hey, we are assigning some value to the variable. If we want to compare two different values for the equality, we can do double equals here. Okay, so here we are saying like, hey, if 10 is equals to 10, okay, but if we do something like a equals to 10, we are saying like, hey, inside of the a variable, store the 10 value. Okay, so this single equal and this double equals are two different things. All right, so I'll get rid of this one. So run the program. As you can see, we are getting true. So in the same way, we can have the not equals to as well. So print, and we can do something like 10, or let's do 8 not equals to. So exclamation mark and then the equals to something like 9. Yes, 8 is not equals to 9, right? So now we will get true. But if I just change it to 8, we'll get false. Okay, so this is basically the Boolean in Python. Okay, and also this is how we can compare the expressions, right? So in case if you are a little bit confused, like, hey, how it is useful, so when we will be writing the if statements, it will be very, very useful inside of Python. Okay, so one other thing which we can do here, basically we can do something like a equals to something like 5, b equals to something like 6, and let's do print if a is greater than b. Okay, we can do this as well. Okay, so I can comment out all of these for simplicity. Now if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting false. So all of these things, all of the comparisons, we can do it by using the variables as well, and which we will be doing in the most of the time. We do not use the raw values, we use the variables. Okay, so we can do something like a equals to b or something like that, like, hey, this is false as well, or a less than b, it is true, right? So we are getting true here. Okay, so this is the Boolean values in Python. So in the next video, we will be discussing about the conditionals in Python.